Two other victims who had earlier or been attacked came forward and identified them to have earlier robbed them of their belongings in the like manner. The three policemen have been tried in the room and dismissed. They will be charged to court soonest. We equally recorded a case of arrest of notorious armed robber, kidnapper, serial rapist, suspected cultists of the Supreme New Black Movement, codenamed Black Arts, and recovery of firearm. Let me conclude this briefing by addressing the disturbing increase in the cases of gender-based violence that was experienced in 2023. The Commissioner for Women Affairs in Ogun State has been working diligently to address these cases, and those being treated by the police anti-human trafficking section have been charged to court. I enjoin mothers to oversee and protect the welfare of their female adolescent children against predators so that we can collectively counter and prevent these forms of abuses. In conclusion, as we head into 2024, our determination to fight crime remains unwavering. With the support of the press, the public, and stakeholders, we can create a safe environment where everyone can prosper and live without fear. Subsequently, we confirm how and who abducted and that's one of those executive.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.